Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning session. In the last video, we have discussed about adaptation. Then we have seen some characteristics or general features about polar region, and as we have discussed, the polar region is cold throughout the year, and during winter the temperature might fall even below 35 degrees Celsius, below minus 35 degrees Celsius. So this region supports some animals which will have adaptations inside them. Adaptation is a necessity. Okay, we need to understand is that adaptation is a necessity, means it is very much important for those animals which are living inside polar regions. Okay, now as we have seen about polar bear, how it adapts, we have seen about penguins. Okay, so the polar region is a totally contrast living environment in which the conditions are contradict. There are so many conditions and animal need to survive in order to adapt in order to survive in these conditions. Okay, so apart from that, now we are going to discuss another topic, that is tropical rainforest, animals living in tropical rainforest. Okay, what is a tropical rainforest? Now see, as the name itself indicates, tropical means a place which is hot and humid, and also along with that it has plenty of rainfall. ठीक है, अब ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट जब आपके दिमाग में ये वर्ड आएगा, और whenever you will face this word, you need to understand that as you can see the word forest means it is a home for a variety of organisms like plants, variety of animals. Okay, and as it is a home for variety of animals and plants, so the tropical rainforest is a home for many plants. Why it must have been tropical? What is the reason? What is the region? Okay, see, the region is having plenty of rainfall. There are some characteristics about tropical rainforest. Plenty of rainfall. Then this region has usually, along with the rainfall, this region also has a hot climate throughout the year. And hot climate, does that mean in winter also it will be hot? Yes, the answer lies that the tropical rainforest during winter, during the coldest month, or the lowest temperature during the coldest month of in a tropical rainforest is 15 degrees Celsius, not even minus. Okay, the lowest is 15, मतलब ज़्यादा ठंडा पड़ता ही नहीं है वो region. Okay, now see, along with these properties, we need to know that अगर ये रेन फॉरेस्ट है, यहाँ पर रेनफॉल बहुत अच्छा होता है, बहुत सारे एनिमल्स हैं, बहुत सारे प्लांट्स हैं, it means there will be variety of competition, there will be a vast competition, and to compete or to cope up with this vast competition, animals need to have certain adaptations inside them. अब ये competition, first of all, before going ahead, we should also look at some other major advantages of tropical rainforest. That is, as it has plenty of rainfall and the temperature is also not that low, so it supports variety of plants and animals. As it supports variety of plants and animals, there is a intense competition. To avoid this intense competitions, animal need to have adaptation, right? the animals need to have something inside them which will help the animals to live in these environmental conditions. But one thing you should understand here, tropical rainforest में environment जो होता है, ठीक है, the environment it is not like not supporting life. The environment here is supporting life. As we have discussed in polar region, वहाँ पर बहुत ठंड है. As cold environment is there, so the cold environment usually does not allow the growth of some species of plants there which are normally grown here. Also, इतनी ठंड में तो कुछ animals तो death हो जाएंगे. Also, people need to migrate from rainforest. From polar region. The birds need to migrate from polar region. There are some other insects which need to migrate from polar region. So polar region से migration एक बहुत सारे animals को करना पड़ता है. Tropical rainforest is actually a home. It is a home for wide variety of plants. It is a home for wide variety of animals as well. And as we have discussed about the tropical rainforest, that it has plenty of rainfall, hot climate throughout the year. Temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. This is the least temperature I am talking about. Okay, it can be up to 45 also. But the least temperature during winter, okay, 15 degrees Celsius I can write here during winter. It supports variety of plants and animals. Okay, now there is an intense competition. Okay, and to cope up with the competition they need some adaptation. अब ये भी देखिए एक point that as the rainfall is there, okay, so if you remember that we discussed while discussing polar region that the nights and day, okay, the sun does not set for 6 months and for the next it does not even rise. So in case of tropical rainforest it is not like that. Okay, the day and night are of equal length throughout the year. The day and night are of equal length throughout the year. And as these are day and night are of equal length throughout the year, the animals get to reproduce inside them. Because see, कोई भी environment है, कोई भी habitat है, it should allow growth of the species. Plants है, plants का growth allow करना चाहिए किसी भी environment में. Then it is life supportive environment. The animals की growth, as plants are there, animals will come there. And as animals are there, after death of plants and animals, the role of decomposer will come. And as the role of decomposer will come, then there will be a source. We can see intense competition amongst the animals. Okay, because for survival they need to fight. For survival they need to show some adaptation inside them, right? So this is visible in case of tropical rainforest. Okay, so this is about the tropical rainforest. Now there is an organism we need to study. For studying the adaptation, we will first study red-eyed frog. Why it does have red eyes? Okay, red-eyed frog actually is not only showing the characteristic. जैसे नाम देख के हमको क्या लगता है कि आंखें लाल है, बस उतना ही है? No. Its body is totally green so that it can camouflage. It can blend with the background. Okay, it can blend with the background. जैसे background green है leaves का, so when it will close its eyes, then the animal will not be visible for the prey. Okay, and it has sticky pads as well. Okay. Sticky pads to help this animal climb on trees. So it can climb on trees by the help of that sticky pad. So it is away from the insects. What happens usually? the many frogs are being having the fear of getting in contact with a snake or any vulture that might eat frog. So by going upstairs, by going up on the plant, by using their sticky pads, the sticky surface of their legs, okay, pads we can say. So by the help of those limbs, they move upwards on the tree and they stay there. So this is an adaptation shown by the red-eyed frog living in the tropical rainforest. Okay. So the next adaptations we are going to discuss according to the animal, and the next adaptations we are going to discuss in the next month. Alright, students. Thank you.